What? No, don't break it, you bophead.
Break it. Don't listen
There's
to Patrick.
turrets outside,
He doesn't
you
own you.
bunko fuck.
What do you mean? What's that got
We
to do
have
with-
turrets on the roof. Just make a large furnace, you moron.
Break
Yo,
it.
this
Stop
will
it,
do.
I'm shooting, I'm shooting.
Ah!
Don't listen to Patrick.
Oh.
Shoot him back.
No, 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 no,
Don't
no,
do
no,
it.
wait,
We
Unauthorized
can
from
make
the turrets.
large furnaces, you muck.
Okay, just give me one bed then, and I'll replace it.
Unauthorized.
I'll
from the
make
turrets.
my
Good.
own bed. You broke mine. You
No,
bitch.
wait. Yo, I'll place it and gift it.
No, you won't.
Okay, if you place it,
just
can you
take
place?
it.
No, I won't.
Yes, you will.
Place
I
it up
know it.
tight to this locker. No,
Nope.
gotta believe me. What do you mean? No, you can't put it back in the same
He
spot.
said, "You gotta believe me."
Oh my! No, it can't.
Fuck you, Josh. I don't have a
Mate.
bed because you broke it.
Mate, that is the most scuffed bed placement I've ever
Fuck
seen.
it.
That's even worse than the first time, bro. The fuck is that? Hell no. The fuck? I'm gonna repair my Jackie for this shit. Don't fucking give me a heart attack with that shit. I mean,
It can't get better, man.
you can't?
No, it cannot get better.
Yo, can you make 2 more beds?
Can you make 2 more beds? Hot furnace outside. He just still broke the beds.
Oh my god, mate, I'm out of this place. What the fuck is that? Whoa, oh my, yo, he's true. The fuck is this? Bro, I walk outside to hit the large furnace. Oh, mate, how? Wait. How do we get back in? We don't.
Yes.
It's like a Dropbox base now. We've got to store it in the large furnace, which you
You
can't
can't.
even do. Oh my! What the fuck? Josh, brother. Oh, wait, I've got. We'll just have to F1 kill outside. Wait, I don't have a bed, do I? What is it? Oh my! And I spawn on top of the roof. The fuck? I tried to die in front of the front door, and I spawn on the roof.
He said,
Gosh.
"And I don't have a bed."
Oh, wait, and if you drop into this corner, you can't get out. This is the most scuffed fucking design I ever fucking seen.
Right, dude.
Oh my god. Oh, I wish I never fucking destroyed the beds. This was a downhill spiral real quick.
I made a mistake.
This was all for a small fucking furnace. This was all for a small furnace in the corner. The fuck did I do wrong?